Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're going to do our lashyBox unboxing. I haven't a clue what's in it. She has not done any spoilers, despite saying she was going to do spoilers. But anyway, maybe she's just busy. Anyways, can we get this open? Okay, this is where it is. I've got it down here so y'all can't see my address. I don't guess you can see it here. I mean, I don't really care if people know, but I guess, you're not supposed to for security reasons. So, I guess it's a receipt. Ooh. I don't know what, I don't have a clue. She didn't do a spoiler. So, here is it so far. And keep in mind, I am soft glam. But these look kind of long, but I don't think it'll be too long because I've been wearing the Amazon lashes and they're like really long. This brand is Baddie Blashes. They look pretty. Okay. Do they have a name? A style? These are synthetic lashes. Normally one reason I like the lashyBox because I like the silk, but I'd question some of that anyway. Anyway, so these are synthetic. Anyway, that's okay. These here are the same brand. They're a little bit more clustered. Ooh, these say, I'm sure they're synthetic. Synthetic lashes, cruelty-free, vegan, and then it's got some sans, Korean, vegan. That's probably a different language. Then we got the Ruby May. I love Ruby May lashes. I think that's Nikki's brand. Premium 3D lashes. This is in style Kyla. Did this have a style name? It's just got a number. I saw the thing plastic and I thought maybe that meant the packaging. Now, what else have we got here? Ooh, I don't know what this is. This looks pretty. Prism palette is really pretty. Well, let's look at the other lashes first. They got us some more glue. I decided I didn't really like this glue. It's latex, strip adhesive. I might give it another try. I threw all the other out because I felt like it left sticky layer on my lashes and they wouldn't last a whole week. Now these are called Tootsie. They're short, but they're thick. So we're probably gonna try one of these new brands today, since that one that we hadn't tried before. So that's 4 sets of lashes. And then this is super pretty. And so then that's all that's in the box. Oh, and we got some glue, which it would be a nice thing. I'll give it another try, maybe. It seemed like the kiss is kind of dry and it doesn't really leave the lashes sticky, where these were kind of leaving the lashes sticky. So maybe I could put that on the other layer and then the kiss on top, because I always use 2 brands. So this is a pretty container. This says Biota Beauty. I wonder what brand this is. I can't hardly read it. It's clear and it's too, I think it was something Badass Beauty or something. And so, ooh, the plastic fell off. This looks like it could be eyeshadow palette or contour palette. I do like that. They gave us 2 of the same brand in a month in a row, and then they gave us this. One was more reddish and one was not. So let's give this a try. Okay. Put on a little bit of moisturizer just first. I've had my shower. I did not wash my hair. I'm trying to cut down on the times I wash it because they say it helps it grow. I don't know. I've been going Saturdays without washing it, but just pulling it up in a hair clip this is the first time I actually tried to roll it, so I don't know if I want to go try to go to work all day with dirty hair. I'm afraid that would bug me. But I'm trying to grow my hair out. It's the reason I don't know if you can see, this is how much it's grown now. And it's been growing a while. So anyway, don't have a whole lot to choose from. I guess you could use this as a contour palette, a high shadow palette, whatever. I like it. They're nice big ones and not a whole lot of colors. Sometimes you get those with a lot of colors. Well, not sometimes, all the time. And like a lot of colors you can't use. You don't know what you're going to do with it. And so kind of you have your favorites and then the palette's just sort of wasted on the rest of it. But just so you know, I like this palette. I mean, just, it's pretty. Look at the sparkles. So, let's, this darker, we're just going to put it aside like I do. Wipe off my brush. Then we're going to put some glitter over the whole lash lid, including that. Okay, so now then, let's kind of go into my crease a little bit like I always do. I'll take the dark color and put it under my eye. I'm kind of looking at, there's a mirror behind me, that's what I'm looking at. I don't know that I can look inside here. It's too small for me to see. So I have to look up at the mirror. Let's just do this at the top too. Not too much. I don't know. Let me grab the mirror real quick. It's real pigmented. Like some of them, you have to do a whole lot of coats and you're just wear your poor little eye out. You know, the eyelid. So, I'm going to try to move this in a little bit better. Okay. With the, I like this big platinum shimmer. I like shimmer. A lot of old women don't like it, but I like it. So, wipe off my brush. I'm going to do some more white on the top. Or beige, whatever color you want to call it. So. Okay, so that's what we did with it. We used all 4 colors. I do like this. In fact, I like it. I think I like it better than the last 2 palettes. I'm getting a lot of palettes. I'm glad we got something different. So now let's try lashes. Well, let's do this one. One of the new ones, one of the new brand that's synthetic. Okay. Let's see if we can get it open. There. So this has got a really sturdy package. You know, if you want to keep it. I don't know. Yeah, they spent a lot of money on packaging on this. So we had the package on top. We got this good little sturdy box. We've got a plastic above and below this. So they spent a lot of money on packaging on these. So I wonder how much these really are. So we had these. So in these one lashes, we had 4 pieces of packaging. So, glasses. Let's cut the last end off. I really am. I think I'll try the latex underneath and then put The only thing is, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use that today. I don't want to ruin the lashes. They just, my lashes only last maximum a week because I don't wash them or anything. I just wear them till they're nasty and throw them out. Uh-oh. And I just kind of pull the adhesive off of it. So these are synthetic. We didn't get any lashyBox ones this time. We got one pair. So, which, that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to take about 8 to 3/8 of an inch off the end of these. Okay. It's kind of a guessing game. You got to try to get both sides alike. Just a little tab more off this one. Okay. So I'm not going to use the lashyBox adhesive. We'll just save that for, I might try it when I'm wearing some cheaper lashes and see how I like it, okay? I don't want to take the chance with them. So this is just Kiss adhesive. This was a kind, and I can't get this anymore. I found it at Dollar General. And it's like liner / adhesive. So I use it as liner. I have used it all by itself, like if I was out during the day and in emergency, and it would stick on, but as a general rule, I just use it as under the bottom thing as a liner. The other eye. I'm not really doing a lot today. I could just try to use just this today's, but I don't know. But now they've got something with the same name, but it's like a little pen, like a magic marker, and it's just not the same. It doesn't get as much off. Now this is Kiss too, and it just calls itself liner, and I use the dark color, brown or black, and I use it as liner. But I still like the shape of the applicator on that one. I like that one too. So in this box we had one eyeshadow palette, and I got the neutral. That's what I picked that I want. Four lashes. So let's try these. These are the ones we picked out. They're called, I guess, plastic. Or that's the top they put on it. Is it really called that? Who knows? That may just be a mistake. It may have put a different top on it. So let's see if I can do this in one try. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Okay. A little bit, I'll try to mess with them more. So I'm putting on the tweezers. Oh, great. There, I thought it was stuck. That's one thing that's changed. I took a break, not doing YouTube videos because I got busy and stuff. I've got better at putting on lashes because just because I took a YouTube break, I still was doing everything else. Except I did kind of quit the lashyBox for a while when they sold it, and then I picked it back. Now, let's finish up a little makeup, or just foundation. We've already got the eye makeup on, the hard part. So we're just gonna put the bottom in here and the top in here, and that other little thing we're not gonna worry about. So I've used this the last couple times. elastin. I got that from Dr. Meninga's office. It's tinted moisturizer. Alrighty. Wipe my hands off. Do a little bit of powder. This is kind of buy it. This is back I was buying stuff at Ultra. I don't know why. This is expensive stuff. I don't know why about that. I may have thought it was real good or something. I don't know. My hairdresser was at Ulta for a while or something, and I would get points, and I don't know, I was just buying too much stuff. Use the little contour palette. You probably could use that one too. The one that we just had for eyeshadow. May have to. This came from Dollar General. A little bit of the brown. And I could put a little blush on if I wanted to. But I'm not doing much today. To be honest, if I wasn't doing this video today, I wouldn't even put on makeup. My husband, he knows what I look like without makeup. So, he don't care. I just gonna do nail videos and this, so I went ahead and did my hair. So, I just don't know if it's gonna work, not washing your hair every day. I don't know. I don't think maybe I could try it tomorrow. I was thinking maybe Mondays and Thursdays wash it. I've been washing it every day. It's really not any less work. It might be just a tad less work, but it doesn't feel good. It doesn't. I'm just so used to washing it every day. So, whatever. So, here we go. That was our lashyBox for this month. I liked it. I would have preferred another pair of lashes and not the glue because, like I said, I don't like their glue. I used to like it, but then this last time it was just real sticky and I didn't want to ruin my lashes. So I'll see you guys next month. Well, if you watch my nail videos and exercise videos, you can see me tomorrow. Bye.